everybody, my name is Kunchi from Cooking with Kunchi, and we are here at Smoke Slam Memphis 2024. Right here in the pan, we got a lot of bacon. We're not really trying to crisp up the bacon, we're just trying to render some of the fat out and cook it. We got some onions, some garlic, some Scotch bonnets chopped up. You're getting all the spice, and we're gonna steam some cabbage in that. So this is gonna be a flavor bomb. We're gonna have a nice lunch out here. So let's take a look. Our steamed cabbage is all done. Look at that beautiful thing. Now we're gonna serve these over some pita. So this is what we ended up with. The spice, the freshness from the cabbage. This is all bacon here.